Okay. Time to pick another lock. I have a bike lock, one of them big ass U locks, my key, my lock pick. Let's see how well it goes. I opened it earlier. Okay. I have inserted my key into the lock. Let's see how easy it is to open one of these. Okay, first try. No luck. Okay, I just opened it, see? Isn't that a shame? Okay, again, I'll relock it. This is when it gets tricky. Okay, still disconnected. I have to take it off camera so I can set my key back in it. Okay, still unlocked. Still unlocked. Keys inserted. There we go. I just did a big old bike lock that they say is hard to pick. Thank you. Leave comments.